As we go through the rose season, some of the roses begin to get a little bit tired and they need deadheading. So what you need to do is, when the main flower has finished, you just need to break it off like that, and as you can see, this one is broken off here and that one off there. Then that gives the back buds more room to then flower again. Once you've finished that and all the flowers are finished, you then need to deadhead down nice and deeply into the plant like that. Okay, what I've done is I've taken this stem off to make it easier so you can see. Like I said, you break them off to let the back buds come through. When finally the whole cluster is finished, let's take off all these flowers here like that. Okay, that's off like that. So then you need to deadhead down to here. If you don't do that, what will happen, the energy will go up the plant and try to reflower from here. It's already used that flower bud, and it's same with that, and same with here. So what you need to do is to go to an outward facing bud like that, and then what will happen, a new growth will come up there, you know, with your flower buds on there. If you do that, you'll probably save about 3 weeks earlier flowering than it was if you would have left the stem on there.